The factory of the future, obviously, I think with the labour shortages and skills shortages, I think will be a lot more streamlined. They have to be. These days it's not just finding the skills. It's all the employment laws and the HR resources and all the things you have to comply with now. That's not to say that people aren't one of the most valuable resources in a company, and you have to do your bit. But I do think efficiency will be a main driving point, and I think the pandemic has really taught companies a lot of things, how to deal with efficiency and make things more streamlined.